trebam stići.
It lasted exactly, I sat down, everything disappeared, and suddenly I came back when the metro was.
Točno, to iskustvo je trajalo točno toliko dok nisam došao do stanice na kojoj sam trebao izaći. U ovom trenutku kad sam trebao izaći, sam se vratio u ovu stvarnost.
So I stood up, came out of the metro.
Podigao sam se, izašao iz metroa.
I was standing in the platform in complete state of shock.
I stajao sam na platformi u potpunom šoku.
I said, what happened to me?
Pitao sam što se to sa mnom dešava.
And I started thinking of these scenes that I have seen.
I počeo sam razmišljati o tim scenama koje sam vidio.
So I spoke with Swami in my heart.
I razgovarao sam sa Swamijem u svom srcu.
And I asked him, Swami, it was you that gave me this experience.
I pitao sam ga, Swami, jesi li to ti mi dao to iskustvo?
You want me to change all those things?
Želiš li da promijenim sve te stvari koje sam vidio?
And some things were not so easy for me to change.
Međutim, neke stvari koje sam tamo vidio i učinio nije bilo lako promijeniti.
So my mad monkey mind,
I moj ludi majmunski um,
I said, Swami, give me a proof that it was you and I will try to change.
je rekao, Swami, daj mi dokaz da sam ti i ja ću pokušati ipak to sve izmijeniti.
Imagine, I say the way try, that is a bad word.
I rekao sam pokušati, što znate da je loša riječ.
But I continued walking to the building where I had to go.
Umeđu vremenu sam nastavio hodati prema zgradi u koju sam trebao doći.
So the first thing, I went to the room where I left my briefcase.
I prva stvar, ušao sam u sobicu u kojoj sam ostavio autorku.
And I took my briefcase.
Uzeo sam svoj kofričić.
And when I raised, I saw that someone had put a paper on the side with scotch with the number 23.
I kada sam ju podigao, vidio sam da je neko...
Because, sorry. When I asked Swami if it was him, I said, give me a proof that it was you, show me the number 23 in a special way and I will believe that it was you.
Dakle, kada sam upitao Swamija da mi da dokaz da je to on, onda sam mu još rekao, da mi broj 23 na takav način da ću ja znati da su ti, na jedan poseban način mi ga pokažem.
Because I remember the number 23 so special in the film. So I said, if you show me again the number 23, I would believe that it was you.
Jer sjetio sam se filma koji je počeo sa 23 i onda sam mu rekao, ako mi ponovno pokažeš broj 23, onda ću biti siguran da si mi ti dao to iskustvo.
That's why when I raised my briefcase, I saw a paper attached with scotch tape with the number 23.
I kada sam podigao svoj kofričić, na njemu sam vidio papir na kojem piše broj 23, a papir je ljepinkom bio zaljepljen za kofričić.
Another time, did you understand?
Yes.
Another time, I had a trip to 7 different Latin American countries to speak about Swami.
Jednom drugom prilikom imao sam putovanje u kojemu sam išao pričati o Swamiju, iskustveno o Swamiju u 7 različitih zemalja.
I took a plane from Buenos Aires to Miami.
Uzeo sam avion iz Buenos Airesa u Miami
to make a connection to Bogotá, Colombia.
Da bi se povezao sa Kolumbijom.
I arrived at Miami 4 or 5 a.m. in the morning.
Došao sam u Miami u 5 ujutro.
My plane to Colombia was leaving at 4 p.m. in the afternoon.
Avion je odlazio tek u 4 popodne.
I decided to stay at the airport.
I odlučio sam ostati na aerodromu.
Imagine from 4 5 a.m. till 4 p.m. is an eternity.
Možete zamisliti da traje vječnost od 5 ujutro do 4 popodne.
I meditated, I went to have breakfast,
meditirao sam, imao sam doručak,
read,
čitao,
went to one store, to another store,
jednu, drugu trgovinu,
to another store,
treću,
to another store.
četvrtu.
Miami airport is very big, there are different wings.
Miami aerodrom je velik, ima različita krila.
Like 5 airports in one.
Kao da imate 5 aerodroma u jednom.
I went to the stores of this airport, to this airport, to this, all the stores because I had to wait.
I tako sam u biti prozujao kroz sve te prodavonice koje su bile na aerodromu.
At 2 o'clock,
u 2 sata,
I tried to get an envelope where I had my tickets, my passport, my credit card and $2,000 in cash.
I u 2 sata htio sam si uzeti jednu kovertu koja se ima moju kartu, pasoš, $2,000 u kešu.
I have tickets for the 7 countries, passport,
znači karte za svih 7 zemalja, moj pasoš,
my credit cards,
kreditnu karticu i $2,000
and $2,000. I was not there.
I nije bilo.
I had a bag and I put this envelope inside the bag. it was not there.
Imao sam kofer, znam da sam to stavio u kofer, ali nije bilo tamo.
I couldn't believe because the same day I was a speaker in one public meeting in Bogota, in the University of Bogota. 2,000 people came to the public meeting.
Nisam mogao vjerovati, zato što taj isti dan trebao sam držati predavanje u Bogoti pred 2000 ljudi na univerzitetu, a nemam karata.
And then I had to go to another country and another country and another country, and everything was arranged.
I sve me je bilo već organizirano, svi su me čekali, trebao se ići iz zemlje u zemlju.
Places were rented, posters were made.
Posteri su već bili okolo.
Devotees from the country were coming to the city because I had to appoint the new members of the coordinating committees.
Poklonici su iz cijele zemlje dolazili na to mjesto, trebao sam isto nove koordinatore, sve su se izmjenjivali i tako.
So it was a complete disaster. I started to go to all the places where I have been.
I bilo je totalno očaj. I onda sam se počeo vraćati na sva ta mjesta gdje sam prije bio.
And I went to Lost and Found.
I da bi pronašao tu kovertu, i na kraju sam išao izgubljeno izgubite stvari.
Every 30 seconds a plane departs from the airport in Miami.
I u Miami svaki 30 sekundi jedan avion sleti.
So I said, someone must be in the plane saying, thanks God for this present.
I mislio sam si da neko na nekom tih aviona se kaže, o Bože, hvala ti za ovaj poklon.
But I remember, Swami says,
sjetio sam se,
that if you want to ask something to God,
sad mi kaže, ako želite nešto pitati Boga,
you have to ask with such an intensity,
trebate pitati sa takvim intenzitetom,
that two things happens.
Da se dvije stvari dese.
You get tired and you surrender,
Ili se umoriš i odustaneš,
or he gets tired and he gives you.
ili se on umori i da ti ono što tražiš.
One of the two has to get tired first.
Sad znači jedan od vas dvoje će se umoriti.
Swami says, intensity. So I said, I went everywhere and then I said, I have to ask Swami, there is no other help.
I sam je rekao intenzitet. I sad, pošto sam sve živo pogledao, nisam imao druge nego da traži njega za pomoć.
So I went to the first bathroom I found.
I onda sam išao prvu kupovnu WC-u koju sam našao.
Because I didn't want to ask Swami in front of everybody.
I sad, zato što nisam htio Swamija pitati tu među svim tim prolaznicima.
So I locked myself in one bathroom.
I tako sam se zatvorio u jedan WC.
I sat in the bathroom, I start praying, but mentally, because if I would say, Swami, please, someone would knock the door and say, there's a crazy person there.
Sjeo sam se u WC-u, počeo sam moliti naravno mentalno, inače bi ljudi mislili da sam lud.
I was 40 to 45 minutes like this. Swami, please. 40 to 45 minutes.
40 do 45 minuta sam ga svim mogućim intenzitetom kojeg sam imao u sebi molio.
There was a moment when, if you come with a gun and said to me, one more, I would say, shoot, because I have no more energy.
Neko došao s pištoljem i zaprijetio mi rekao pucaj, nema više.
I was completely exhausted.
Bio sam potpuno iscrpljen.
So I gave up and said, your time will be done, what can I do?
I onda sam odustao i rekao sam, bude tvoja volja, šta mogu učiniti?
I was ready to go out and ask for some money to call the embassy to send me back to Argentina.
I odlučio sam se, bio sam spreman izaći, zamoliti nešto novaca, za zvati ambasadu da me vrate nazad u Argentinu.
So I came out of the bathroom, closed the door,
Izašao sam iz kupatila, zatvorio sam vrata,
raised my head,
podigao glavu,
and in front of me there was a lady looking straight into my eyes.
a ispred mene bila je gospođa i
And she
gledala me
said,
direktno u
she
oči.
did like this. Is this yours, sir? Hola.
I vidite, ispred mene se pojavila jedna gospođa, gledala me direktno u oči i dala mi kovertu i pitala je li to vaše.
Sorry. I forgot to turn this off. Sorry. This lady said, is this yours, sir?
Je li to vaše, gospodine?
And I look at her, I went, I took it, and the first thing I look inside if everything was there, and everything was there. So I raised my head to say thank you, and she was vanished.
I znači prva stvar kad sam uzeo tu kovertu, išao sam pogledati unutra su sve te karte za svih 7 mjeseca, sve unutra, kreditna kartica, pasoš, što. I kad sam to pogledao sve unutra, htio sam reći hvala i nema je, nestala je.
I didn't know where I lost it, at what time I lost it. I went in a huge airport to everywhere. I went into the first bathroom I found. Thousands of people were walking all the time. She was waiting for me. He was waiting for me in front of the bathroom.
Jer možete zamisliti, ogromna, tisuće ljudi, nema mjesta gdje nisam pogledao, gdje sam to mogu izgubiti. Sve se to poklopilo, začinjsko patila, on me čekao sa pogledom.
And at one time I was in the work conference and Swami was supposed to speak. And he called me and said, you speak. I will speak tomorrow. And I said, Swami, what shall I say? And he said, speak about your experiences.
Jednom na jednoj konferenciji sam je trebao govoriti, međutim u zadnjem trenutku rekao ti pričaj i ja sam pristupio i rekao o čemu da pričam i sam je rekao pričaj o svojim iskustvima.
So he confirmed all of this, he then spoke about the experiences he gave me. One time, when I started, before starting my spiritual path, I was only thinking about the UFO, the beings in another planet.
Prije nego što sam započeo duhovni put, uvijek sam razmišljao o bićima s drugih planeta.
I always wanted for them to come and tell me what is happening here, what is reality, what will happen after we die.
Uvijek sam